badge requests can be part of the onboarding process and can be automatically sent out in case you have a standard process for handling that. But I want to show you briefly what the options are. First of all, you can choose your own badge formats, and this is another beautiful example of the configuration capabilities of Interact, whereby you could set up different badge formats for different employee groups or for different organization units, so that one department or one group of departments uses one format and another one uses another format. So it all depends on your type of business. It can be very valuable based on the look of a badge to be able to distinguish immediately what group or what type of department that a person belongs to. So you see that everything about the layout of this badge is in fact configurable. There are no needs to program anything here. You can choose your background colors, you can choose the orientation, the type of the badge, the picture of the employee, the place where you're going to print the name of the employer, as well as what type of data should be shown on the badge. And then you have the ability to choose even additional information that should be printed on there. Now, let's take a look at what that looks like in real life. If you look at one of my badge requests, those again could have been issued manually, or they could have been automatically issued based on a onboarding process. So here you can see a badge that's been generated by the system based on my settings. You see there's a background logo right here. There's a blue color background. There's a logo here. Name of the company, and then the employee or pay group that this employee belongs to. You also have her contact details and her title and the department that she's in, as well as her name and her employee ID. This is all because that's what I want to see on the badge. If that's not what you want to see, then you can have it any way that you want it. The entire background, everything is configurable, is based on images that you have chosen. We can look at this one more time and create an entire different background. We will create an entirely different layout, which means we'll go with a portrait layout. We will make the organization unit name in red, but keep the size the same as all others. We will eliminate the fax number and resize the office and cell phone number. We're going to set a standard size for everything. We will make this employee title and the organization unit bold. Everything else will not be bold. And we will center the text. You can even choose background text that should be shown. We will also get rid of the logo and change the background. So if we look at our badge requests now, then you see a different layout altogether. So everything is user defined. There's no logo in this case. I have the company name, the employee group, the employee ID, the name of the employee, her title, her department, her office, and her cell phone number. And that's all based on my settings. So badge requests are an integral part of the onboarding process. They can be sent automatically, or they can be manually requested by employees through self-service. They're directly integrated with the badge printer and directly integrated, of course, with the HR system, so that there's no need to update any data here. This is coming directly live from your database.